The world needs agriculture now more than ever. The public relies on you, the farmer, to provide a safe, sustainable, and affordable food supply for a growing population. You are not only focusing your time and energy on your crops and livestock, but also on your other roles as a meteorologist, agronomist, conservationist, accountant, nutritionist, mechanic, and much more. At Kuhn, we understand that you care deeply about your animals, your acres, and about creating a proud legacy for the next generation. Our mission is to support these endeavors with innovative, efficient machines to make your job easier. Farmers around the world have trusted Kuhn to provide them with the best equipment solutions for almost 200 years. Our people are committed to providing you with high-quality products, service, and support. Our dedication to quality starts with quality people. Our skilled and talented people are rooted in the industry we serve. We know the demands and challenges you, the farmer, face. Our team possesses the creativity, ingenuity, and expertise to help answer today's unique challenges. For Kuhn, quality isn't simply a sticker placed on our products. It's a result of our entire manufacturing process of how our products come to be. The product itself embodies quality. A quality product is one that is easy to use, dependable, and fits perfectly in your daily operation. Kuhn's commitment to quality doesn't end when the machine leaves the factory. We also strive to provide exceptional service to meet your quality expectations. Our commitment to service is backed by our 7 distribution centers across North America. If a problem arises, you'll know that Kuhn will be right there, ready to help. We realize that an implement can only prove its true value when it complements your entire operation. Kuhn partners with you to solve your toughest challenges and develop a system for success. Best of all, our support comes not only from Kuhn, but our highly trained and dedicated dealers in every state and province. Quality people, quality products, quality service, quality support. Invest in quality and experience the Kuhn difference. We believe in agriculture, and we believe in you, the farmers and feeders of the world. We look forward to being part of your journey for the next 200 years and beyond.